Have you ever wondered what makes a sunburn red? Or maybe why sometimes you peel and sometimes you don't? We're going to look at this and more today as we explore sunburn. What's inside? Any part of your body covered by skin, even your eyes, can be burnt by the sun's UV rays. It doesn't necessarily have to be a hot, sunny day. The radiation can reach you through the screen of clouds. Sometimes the clouds even amplify the effect. So what exactly is happening inside your body when you get a sunburn? It helps to think of your skin as being divided into three separate layers: the epidermis, dermis, and hypodermis. Think of it as layers of a cake. There are several different layers between those, but we're just going to focus on the main three. When UV radiation hits your epidermis, the lower layers of the epidermis begin producing melanin. This is what gives skin its color. It's also what causes a suntan. UV radiation from the sun begins killing off skin cells. Melanin is working to prevent skin cell death. Furthermore, the very DNA, the structure of the skin cells themselves, is being broken down and can mutate. This mounting DNA damage gets your body's attention. Blood vessels in the dermis start to open, allowing more blood to flow to the area at a faster rate. White blood cells are deployed, just as when you have an infection, to go eat up the dead skin cells. Blood rushes to the damaged areas, causing your skin to become warm to the touch. But this entire process takes anywhere from 4 to 16 hours. So the damage and damage control is happening before you even see the redness or feel any pain. Certain proteins are excreted, causing pain and itching. This is all a response to repair the damage that has been done. With excessive UV exposure, blistering occurs. This means the dermis has also been affected. Fluid is leaking outside of the cells in your dermis. I like to call blisters God's band-aids. The raised part, the bubble of the blister, is actually your epidermis. Underneath, your dermis is exposed. The clear liquid inside a blister is called plasma. This is the clear part of your blood. Never pop God's band-aids. Once you get past a tan, burn, the blisters, next comes the dreaded peeling. What is with the peeling? Your body produces new skin cells constantly. It takes around 30 days for new cells to make their way from the innermost to the outermost layer. When you've experienced UV damage, the skin cells begin pumping out at a much faster rate. They don't have enough time to break down and separate. They stick together, forming sheets. They are rushed to the surface to replace the skin cells which have been killed off. Once they make their way to the outermost layer, they flake and peel off in clusters. This results in sporadic, unsightly peeling. From beginning to end, this is the cycle of a sunburn. And all good reasons to lather on sunscreen every morning before you ever go out the door. Remember, you can get a sunburn even on the cloudiest day. Now it's your turn. Have you ever experienced a bad sunburn? How did you make yourself feel better? Leave your comments below. We would love to discuss it. Do you enjoy tanning? Watch this video on what happens inside your skin when you tan. This has been Laura with Naturally Gracious. Here's wishing you the best skin possible.